boys. So I did manage to transfer all the footage over, so I do have way more space than I did, but bad issue. Car doesn't want to work. Oh, the kids are taking a picture of the car. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if they can see me through the front. Kind of doubt it, but kind of. Let's just ignore all of the sniffling. My nose is running bad. So is this damn car. Alright, let's see. What the fuck is that, Spider-Man? Got fucking Spider-Man. I'm hoping you guys can see everything clearly, because I can't even see everything clearly. I'm just hoping this code goes away how it did earlier, but kind of doubt it. Rear diff lock. Oh, the guys are out. Oh, there we go. Went back to normal now. Woo! Wait, the snowplow came. He gotta let us be. Cars just thumping around. I feel bad for bro. He's over there trying to take all the snow off his car. Meanwhile, I want to own my car. Alright. Now let's see. Ooh, that does not sound that good. I need to wipe my nose. Damn, where'd all those napkins go? I thought he had a whole pile of them. No clue where they went. We'll be all good. Four-wheel and I'm getting stuck, man. Well, I'm fully stuck, I guess, but it's because I got DSC off. Oh, dog, you scared the shit out of me there, buddy. I was trying to press the fuck out of my horn, but yeah, you came sliding here pretty fucking fast. I thought you were stuck. I am stuck. There we go. I just get a little worried when the guys swing around the car, because shit, you're in the snow. You can't really control it that much now. Like, look, my boy over there is just fully stuck. There's just people out just recording. Alright, now let's hop back in. again. Oh shit, motor not heated up. That's a sign to stop. Let's pull up with the boys right here. My car overheated. Yup. Oh, this buddy's coming way too close. Oh, I think he's fully stuck though. Oh, Mo was like an inch away. About to Mac people and shit. Alright, we gotta let this baby overheat. I said overheat. We did overheat. Just need to let it cool down. I don't want to get in the way of anybody. Stay right here. I enjoyed the show from the inside because it's too fucking cold outside, but we'll be alright. Got the vape. I drank all the Red Bull. I do kind of got to pee, so I might head to the Family Dollar or the Wendy's. But there's way too much heads inside the circle, so I don't want to, you know. Goddamn it. My car overheated.
Relax.
It overheated.
How you know?
It said
overheat?
Yeah, it said let it cool down.
It's not getting enough air. Right now you're sitting in one spot doing donuts. So let it sit for a minute.
I mean, it's cooling down pretty quick.
Huh?
I mean, it's cooling down pretty quick.
Yeah, just because it's cold out. That's
why.
Why.
Not only that, there's too much people out here.
Huh?
It's too much people.
Yeah.
Way too much.
I gotta get going. I have to make my flight.
You got a flight, and this is where you're at right now. He's got snow all inside my car. I gotta let my shit just gotta give it a break. Oh shit, there's a whole truck right here. I did not see that. Let's park over here. That did not sound good. I can't even see the damn line, so let's just hope I don't hit the curb. I'm gonna just stay right here. Everybody just out and about right now. Just, oh shit, the Yukon. Pretty sure that's a Yukon. I think that's what that is. That boy's spinning. I don't even know where all these kids came from though. They're just all out and about. We did get a good chunk of snow. It is snowing like shit, but having our fun. Oh shit, coming real close to the pole again. Man, it does get scary with so much cars at the same time in the middle, but it's just like shit. As long as everyone gives everybody a chance to swing it, have their fun in the circle, fuck it. I gotta pee so bad. Gotta give the G80 a break. Now let me just record for these guys now. Oh, one of the curbs. Oh, treats this whole shit like a racetrack. The right time. I don't want to get magged by one of these motherfuckers. Keep slipping and falling. This is like stacks of snow. We all outside. Smoke got stuck. Just look how clean this thing is. That boy got it. That boy just splattered me with all snow. Nah, he's going around the
drive-through.
Bro, the other day he was going through the entire like Wendy's, like all the way around. Bro, that shit was fucking.
Doing it again? Oh
Yo, what the hell?
I got damn Mo.
Oh, he about to hit that drive-through, bro.
This thing looking beautiful inside the snow. Let it snow, let it snow. Look, all the snow pile up makes my side skirts come off. We still good though. There's full of snow in the back, but hoping the car cooled down because that was the only reason why it stopped. I already know my interior is gonna be. Oh, it's so cold. I already know my interior is about to be cooked with all this water and shit going in, but yep. Go back to drive. Alright, let's get back get to it, boys. DSC off. Well, I need to wipe off the glasses. These shits feel like I can't see nothing through it. That boy Mo going stupid still. Just keep sniffling. They brought a whole snow shovel out. Wait till Mo gets out. Shit. Dula! Can you give me a video real quick?
Hold on. Mo's about to jump around me.
Yeah, let me get out the way. It seemed like he was coming towards me for a second. For shit. Let me see. I want to try swinging this at an all wheel again, but last time I did that, all the codes popped up again. So I don't want that to happen. Let's see. Way. Alright, we got space again. Damn, that did not sound good. I wouldn't mind swinging at the same time as Mo, but it's just that when he drifts, as y'all see, he does go all over the place. He be going to the actual like track and everything though, so this is more of his thing, but we're all out just having some fun. See, traction, DSC off, 2-wheel. Thing is, I need to stay inside of this setting. So, thing is, all right, now let's have some fun. Oh, goddamn it, Mo. There's literally a cop right there. Yo! Yo! Cop! Damn, I had to yell that pretty loud. Let's lock back in. Did y'all see him? already stuck. What the fuck? Let's park up for a little bit. I guess not. What the hell's that? I have no clue. Just random on no cord, just swinging it. I can't spin at all.
Huh?
I can't spin at all, literally.
What?
It's just slipping too much.
You're even abusing it. Slow down.
No, it's too much snow.
I know. Tell us.
And just a little more. Alright, let's do this out of all wheel. Let's see how this shit goes. Too close to the curb. Literally inches away from the fucking pole. Honestly, I don't think it's a good idea to be swinging this out of all wheel. The car literally sounds like it's about to damn near break. I think this might be all. No, he's stuck in the Mustang. It be sounding so bad once I'm about to brake, or if I do brake, it just sounds terrible. Maybe time to wrap things up, head to the crib ski, call it a day. There's way too much snow out. Can't even actually like swing it. Thought just calling. Let's give it one more go. Wait, we're already inside of. Are you leaving?
Yeah, come on, yalla.
Alright, finna head out. My bad, I just gotta go back in all wheel. Alright, I'm gonna see you at the crib.
Alright, yalla, I'm waiting on you.
Alright, yalla.
I'm at you know where I'm with Dad's?
Yeah.
It's right there.
Is everybody over there?
Everybody left, bro.
Yeah. Alright, inshallah. Alright, I'm gonna see you at the crib.
Nigga, are you not coming right now?
I'm coming right now.
I'm waiting on you.
Alright, yalla. Alright, bye. Just like that, I think everybody's heading out to the crib. I want a video where it's like me swinging it out the entrance, but all the guys had already left. No, we just gotta get up out of here. is my cousin's G80. Motherfucker clean as hell. Inshallah. Alright, family. See you soon. Y'all drive safe. You know it. Y'all drive safe. I don't know if I want to go behind him because he keeps getting stuck. So if he gets stuck, it starts running back. I don't think that's much of a good thing. Yep. And he's getting stuck. And there's another car behind me. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I think I might just go to the other entrance. Yep. Turn back around. It's not that I don't want to help, but I gotta pee really bad, and it's like a little too bad that I gotta pee. Ah, that's the thing. If I go through here, I can't even fucking... Damn. If I leave through here, I'm gonna have to go all the way around to go back home. Fuck it. We swing for a little more. And my camera's about to die. So boys, as soon as this footage goes out, well, as soon as I guess the video ends, I'm hoping I got enough like content for today, but it's gonna be the last of it. No, yeah, I should have just went home. Literally stuck. Let's go back to 4-wheel. Yeah, everybody left. Ooh, that does not sound good. Alright, yeah, time to just take it home. Take it home. At this point, can't even get no traction. Oh, it says I'm going 133. Alright, definitely time to take it home once all the code shit starts popping up. Well, boys, looks like we're ending it off here. We're gonna take it on the road first. I'm gonna need all these codes to go away, and I gotta pee so bad. Everybody just scared to drive out and everything, and then there's just us. Started slipping and sliding. Oh, he got stuck. Yeah, I might have to go help. It's like overly stuck. Oh damn. Hell, I don't know where all these people just came from. Shit, they helping him get out. Come on, you got it. Got it. Keep pressing that. Keep throttle control. There you go. And just like that, he's out. I gotta hope that everything's good when I'm heading out, because I have no traction. But we'll be all good. Hopefully. Yeah, I literally have barely any traction. What up? Yeah, my car, I'm about to go home.
Okay.
My shit fucked up again. What up, Adam? What up, hey boy? Alright, I'm gonna see you soon though, inshallah. Drive safe. Alright, let's see. Ooh. just came out of nowhere, and this guy just decided to just fully go behind. But it is what it is. I can't see shit. We're going sideways, boys. All these codes popping up, and I'm just trying to get home. I gotta pee. Drive carefully. Chassis stabilization. Yeah, I know. My shit's going fucking crab walking the whole way. But we still good. We still good. As soon as I take off all the snow off the back of my wheels, it completely goes back to normal, so we should be good. But let's just enjoy the scenery of being inside of a G80 during a snowstorm. I don't know if this is a snowstorm or if, because they were calling it a cyclone. I never heard anybody call it a cyclone. Ah, shit, I think the guys just got stuck. Ah, Dula got stuck. Ah, shit. I hope he didn't hit the fucking wall. That boy going sideways. Then they're just looking at me. I'm all wheel. Well, man,